Navigating a work injury can be incredibly stressful, and deciding whether to hire an attorney is a critical consideration for many. An attorney specializing in workers' compensation can offer invaluable services, guiding you through the complex claims process. Let's explore the key situations where legal representation becomes highly advisable for your work injury claim. Firstly, if you've sustained complex or serious injuries, an attorney can ensure all aspects of your recovery and compensation are addressed. When your claim is denied, or if there are disputes over necessary medical treatment, legal expertise is crucial to challenge these decisions effectively. Should you face retaliation from your employer after reporting an injury, an attorney can protect your rights and prevent further injustice. If your injury results in permanent disability, an attorney will fight for the long-term benefits you deserve to support your future. In cases involving third-party liability, where someone other than your employer is at fault, an attorney can pursue additional compensation. If a settlement offer seems inadequate, or if your claim isn't progressing, legal counsel can evaluate the offer and push for a fair resolution. Even with a pre-existing condition, an attorney can help demonstrate how your work injury exacerbated it, ensuring proper compensation. Now, let's consider the significant benefits of having an attorney on your side during this challenging time. Their expertise and knowledge of workers' compensation laws are invaluable, increasing your chances of receiving the benefits you are entitled to. Attorneys possess strong negotiation skills, ensuring you don't settle for less than your claim is truly worth. They provide access to expert resources, such as medical specialists and vocational rehabilitation experts, to strengthen your case. An attorney will represent you at hearings, handling all legal proceedings so you don't have to face them alone. This professional representation offers immense peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your recovery without the added stress of legal battles. They also assist with complex paperwork, ensuring all forms are correctly filed and deadlines are met, preventing costly errors. However, it's equally important to understand the potential downsides and costs associated with hiring legal representation. Legal fees are a primary concern. While many attorneys work on a contingency basis, they will take a percentage of your settlement. Contingency fees mean you only pay if you win, but other costs like court filing fees or expert witness charges may still apply. Hiring an attorney can sometimes lead to a longer claims process, as negotiations and legal procedures take time. You might also experience a perceived loss of control over your case, as the attorney manages the legal strategy. Ultimately, the decision to hire an attorney for a work injury depends entirely on the specific circumstances of your case. For straightforward claims with minor injuries, legal representation may not be necessary, saving you potential fees. However, if your case involves complexities, disputes, or serious injuries, seeking legal counsel can significantly improve your chances of a successful outcome. Consider these factors carefully to make the best decision for your recovery and future.